Hello everybody, and today we're going to create a file on the desktop using the Spurt method. So first I'm just going to increase the font size a little bit, and we're going to start off by creating a subroutine or function called create file. And then we're going to create a scalar variable called my scalar path, and we're going to assign it to prompt here, which will get the user input because we want the user to tell us where they want to create the file. Whoops, and we'll just put full path there, so the user will type in the full path. So I'm going to create mine on the desktop. So user types in the full path of where they want to create the file. Then of course we use chdir change directory to the path that the user has typed in. So this will change the directory to the path that the user types in into the prompt. Okay, now we're going to start on creating the file. So we create my scalar file name. Again, we're going to give the user the choice of creating his own file name. So we're going to get some input off them. So enter file name here. So they type in the name of the file, something like abc.txt. And this is where the magic starts. So we create another scalar variable called file, and we assign that here to assign to scalar file name, and then we create another scalar called content. This is going to hold the content that's going to go inside the file. And we assign that to some content here, a content string. So just something like random text here, something like that. That'll do. So that's the text inside the file. And then we're going to use this Spurt, and then that's going to be scalar file and the content. So it's going to create the file with the content in it. Okay, and the Spurt will write the content to the file. Okay, so what we're going to do now, all we have to do is simply call it. So the name of the program is create file. Save it and then run the program in our terminal by always typing Raku first, then the name of the file, which is called test.raku. Hit enter. Okay, let's enter the full path. I want to create this file on my desktop. So this is going to be users mark desktop. Okay, that's the path to my desktop. It's not the path to your desktop. So you will have to find out what your unique path is, or else if you simply type this in, you're going to get an error. So let's hit enter. So we've changed to the desktop now, and we want to create a file. Let's do something that will stand out. xxx.txt. Hit enter. Okay, let's go onto the desktop and see if it's appeared. And there you go, it's appeared. So let's just open that. Random text here. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.